Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace and blessings of Allah be upon all of you. Welcome to second class of G7. And in the last class, we did exercise some alphabets of Arabic. And inshallah, today we are going to make further progress. And first of all, okay, Mansab, can you please take one brother or sister on mic, and we start first checking the homework.
Okay.
And
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullah khair. Okay. If you can please raise your hand who would like to take part. Assalamu alaikum. And anyone who actually attended the last class, if he or she can take part.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Sophia. I'll take part. I just don't know how to raise hand.
Okay. Okay, Jazakumullah.
okay, that's fine. So in front of you, these are the Arabic alphabets.
Yeah.
Okay, so I would first ask you some questions. That will be a revision of the previous lesson. Okay, so let me know that how many Arabic alphabets altogether?
29.
29, that's fine. And with regards to how many categories or kinds of letters in regard to dots? There are two kinds. One, there are a set of kinds, 14, which are without dots, any dotless, and some, the rest of them, they have some dots, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, minimum 1 dot and maximum 3 dots. Okay, that's good. So can you please read from right to left on the first box? What is this? And continue these two lines, please.
Alif, Ba, Da, Fa, Jim, Ha.
Well done. Ha is very, very clear, mashallah, distinct. I'm very pleased. And if you can read the third line as well.
Kha.
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 Yeah.
Kha. Dal.
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 Yes, good. And this.
Ra.
Yeah.
Za.
Za. Yes.
Za. Sin.
Yes.
Sheen.
Yes.
Sod.
Well done.
Dod.
Good. Okay, now please take Mansab. Could you take another brother, another person on mic? And we can ask vertically now.
Okay. If anyone can raise hand, otherwise I don't want to actually.
Actually, last time brother Andrew was there. If he is there, we can ask him.
Yeah, he is there, mashallah. And I will ask Mr. Andrew, I'm going to unmute you. Could you please accept? If you will. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Jazakumullah, Andrew.
Okay, assalamu alaikum. Okay, brother, could you please read from vertically this column, starting from Alif, vertically this column, first column, please.
Alif, Ta, Kha, Ra, Sheen.
Well done. And the right to left, then the last bottom line.
Sheen, Dad, Sad.
Sod.
Sod.
Sheen, Sod, without dot, Sod, and with dot, Dod.
Sheen, Dod. Sod.
No, first sheen, next without dot, sod, s like s but thick, sod,
Sod.
and this
Dod.
Yes, well done. And now column number 3, please.
Ta.
Yes,
Ha.
ha,
Ha.
yes,
Zal.
yes,
Sin.
yes.
Dod.
Okay, well done, good. Now let me know that in this these letters, how many letters can you identify with 3 dots, and what are their names? Okay, this is 1 and this is 2.
2.
Which one?
Ta.
Tha, tha.
Fa.
You see, as we say think or thank you or thing, that is
Yeah.
tha,
Fa.
and this sheen.
Sheen.
Okay, well done. Now we come to the next page, and the rest of the letters, inshallah, we are going to finish here. Okay, this one is, you see, thick letter. This is thick letter ta.
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 Ah.
No, ta. T, but T will be thick. Ta.
Ta.
Yes. Remember, this ta, this is this T, ta.
Yeah.
This is a thin letter, 2 dots, always thin. Ta, when your mouth
Ta. Yeah.
ta, and that is basically when your
Ta.
it's a thick and serious letter. Okay, so ta
Ta.
and the.
Za.
Yes, your top of your tongue inclining upward towards the ceiling of mouth, and make it, there should be a little gap between the ceiling of your mouth inside and the top of tongue. The.
La.
Ain.
Ein.
Ain.
Ein.
Okay, and this one ghain.
Grain.
Yes, and this one fa.
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 Qaf.
Qaf.
Yeah, this is thick letter, again 2 dots, thick, qaf.
Qaf.
And this is a thin letter, kaf.
Kaf.
Yeah, this is qaf, qa, yani q sound, and this is
Yeah.
k sound, k, like a king.
Yeah.
Kaf.
Kaf.
Yes, and lam,
Lam.
mim.
Mim.
Well done. So can you please read from, if you can identify, right to left? Ta.
Ta.
Yeah,
Za.
yeah.
Ein.
Well done.
Gain.
Ghain, gha.
Gain.
Yeah, ghain.
Gain.
Yeah,
Fa.
well done.
Qaf.
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 Well done. Brilliant. And this?
Kaf.
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 Yeah, like a CALF. Kaf.
Kaf.
Yes, and this?
Lam.
Yes, and this?
Mim.
Well done. Brilliant. Excellent. And now,
Noon.
mashallah. Okay,
That's all I know.
continue then.
Noon.
Yes, and wow.
Vow.
Yes, wow. And this? Ha.
Ha.
Yeah, and Hamza.
Hamza.
Ya.
Ya.
Okay, this is ha. Now, what is the difference between this ha, H-A-A, and this ha? Okay, that one. What's the difference?
Longer ass sound.
This is basically ha, more sharp and more clear, and ha. Okay,
Yeah.
and this is a blunt sound, like there is no sharpness, just a blunt ha.
Yeah.
Okay, ha. Okay, that's one.
Ha. Ha.
Yeah, ha, ha. That's well done. Okay, the ha upper one, that from the middle of throat, and this is from bottom of throat connected to our chest body. That's ha. Okay, excellent. So we have covered now these Arabic letters, and let's see, we'll do the more practice. It will be continue. Now this time is we start from right to left, and these 7 letters like kha, sad, dad, ta, za, ghain, qaf, they have been color coded, meaning they always will be pronounced with a thick sound, with a heavy sound. Okay, so these are the 7 letters in Arabic, which is always whatever stroke comes on these letters, they will be pronounced with a thick sound, with a heavy sound. So these are 29. And okay, so can you please give a mic to another person, to male or female, and we can read to that.
Yeah, I think everyone should take part, because without reading, we will not learn.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, you can ask. And especially, as it is mentioned, the student should be able to read the following Arabic letters visually and also from memory in order with correct pronunciation. Because it is important that we should learn, as we learn, we memorize like other language alphabets of other languages like A, B, C, D up to Z. So similarly, alif to ya, 29 letters that should be memorized and be read from memory.
yeah, there should not be any hesitation, because if you don't know, Afusab is there, he will help you to decide.
Yeah.
But just make a try.
Yeah, because everybody is on the same level. Only that person, those who are interested in this kind of class, they are here. And that is why our attendance is now only those who are interested. We are, 21 students and one teacher and admin as well, so 23. So it means that either others, those who were present last time, they were waiting that as they already know these things, they would join in the future when class advances in the future, further hard lessons. But this time, I think only those who are really want that. So please come on the mic.
G7032, I'm going to unmute you, please. Accept. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Please.
Alif, ba, ta, sa.
Tha. No. Tha is a soft letter, mild letter. Tha.
Sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, re,
Not,
ra,
no, raw.
ra,
Re is a Urdu word, and this always the proper Arabic sound or its name is ra.
ra, za,
Za, is not mild, not heavy, in between. Okay, that's it is called in the middle way. A medium thick and medium thin. So
za,
za,
za, za,
yes,
sin,
yes.
sheen, swad.
No, there's no swad, no wow. Simple sod and alif. Sod.
Sod,
Yeah, no wow. Sod.
sod,
Yeah.
zod,
No, not zod. Bod.
zod,
No, it's not za. It's a bod. When your edge of left, your tongue touching to the molar teeth on left side. Okay. Bod.
sod,
Okay. Next.
ta,
To. This is thick.
To.
To.
to,
Yeah. You remember this ta is this third letter that will be just ta, simple, soft, mild ta. But this one a little a jerk at the end, like you can say here to.
to,
Yeah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. طا.
to,
Yeah. And this
zo,
the.
zo,
It is, these 7 color coded letters, these maroon, this is all these letters are thick. So the.
zo,
And next.
ein,
Yes. Okay. And continue.
rein,
Yeah.
fa,
Fa.
fa,
Mm.
qaf,
Yes.
kaf,
Kaf.
kaf,
Yes.
lam,
Good. Me.
mim,
No,
mim,
me, because in disjointed letters, there are 29 chapters in the Holy Quran, which they start from disjointed letters. These are very special letters, and meme is commonly used that, in the beginning, alif lam meme. So meme long, meme,
mim,
and
noon,
noon.
noon,
You remember when you say noon, there should be no tinge of nasal sound, no trace of nasal sound in between noon, not like noon.
noon,
Yeah.
wow,
Yeah.
ha,
Yes.
hamza,
Yes.
ya.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Ha, Hamza, yeah. So that's fine. Good. So these are 29 letters. Now,
Simon, can I just ask a question?
please.
Sorry.
Sure.
I just wanted to ask a question. What I find very difficult is to get a different sound out for the dod and the do. Like I can't. And I recently I was in, I think I can't remember which surah it was, but both of them were actually next to each other, and I could not make the sounds different. If that makes sense.
Inshallah, in this book, there are future lessons. I think after 20 lessons, there would be there is a good exercise of similar sounding letter. For example, when certain words are coming, and in this, similar sounding words, letters come together. Inshallah, we will make practice. Remember, all the rules and all theory, it can be learned very easily, very quickly. Most thing, important and hard thing, difficult thing is to apply the rules, and so that our tongue should memorize the rules in practice. That is our main target. And with the passage of time, you will learn all these things. This time we have just covered that there are two sets, broad sets, or groups of letters in regards to thickness and thinness. There is a certain name. Inshallah, we will introduce the terminology terms in the future. But this time, remember, there are thin letters, and these are 19, and 7 letters which have been highlighted here. Kha, Sa, Dot. These are the 7 permanently thick letter, heavy sound. Whatever stroke comes on that, whatever vowel comes after that. And there are 3 letters which are variable. Sometimes they are thick, sometimes they are thin, depending on the situation. And inshallah ta'ala, everything we will learn in steps, brick by brick, no problem. Now, because this is very important for the learners to make sure that their letters are pronounced and practiced from different angles, so we will continue this in this exercise as well. Now the letters are the same, but from a different approach. So if admin could you please take another person on mic, and then we can read these instructions.
There's 2 possible ways of either I can take the next one on the list, or someone can raise hand and I will pick up.
Yeah,
That's much better if someone can raise hand.
yeah.
Otherwise, next one is Amina Sahiba. If you would like to read, I will unmute. If you don't want to, then you don't have to.
Assalamu alaikum. I do prefer in this occasion not to, because
Okay.
I'm looking after my dad who has severe dementia, so I might have to just pop in and have a look, check on him.
Okay. No problem. You don't have to. Thank you very much.
No problem.
I'm so sorry.
Another person.
No. Next, Anita Gilsaba, if you would like to read, I'm going to unmute. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam. If you do you want to read or?
Yeah, yeah. I know.
Yeah, sure. Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Okay. All right. Can you please read these instructions in English? There are 15 letters, so
Okay.
that we can.
There are 15 letters in the Arabic alphabet which do not carry any dot like alif, ha, dal, etc. While the remaining 14 letters carry 1, 2, 3 dots like ba, ta, sa, etc. There are 10 Arabic letters which have only one dot like ba, jim, ha, dal, etc. 2 letters carry 2 dots like ta, kaf, and the remaining 2 letters have 3 dots like tha and sheen.
Tha and sheen.
The student should be asked multiple questions pointing towards the relevant page using the recommended method regarding 1 dotted, 2 dotted, and 3 dotted letter to test the level of recognition before moving on to the next lesson.
Okay, good. Now, can you read now this exercise 3.1?
Alif,
No,
ha,
not alif. It's a lam and fa. Quick, lam and fa joining quick. Alif.
alif,
Yeah, alif.
alif,
Yeah.
ha,
Ha.
ha,
Hmm.
dal,
Dal. You know, this is a thin letter. Dal.
dal, ra,
Hmm.
sin,
Yeah.
sod,
Sod.
sod,
Hmm.
ta, ain,
Ain.
ain,
Hmm.
kaf,
No, don't make it so, soft and making, inclining towards the earth. Kaf.
kaf,
No, not too much, not inclining. Remember, kaf.
kaf,
When you make a, thick, that will be qaf, qaw. But this one, kaf,
kaf, lam,
lam.
lam,
Hmm.
mim, waw, he,
No, not hey, ha.
ha,
Okay.
hamza, ya.
Okay, yeah. So you remember these are the 15 letters. All students, please recognize that these are the 15 letters which have no dot, meaning there are 29 letters, and if you exclude 15, so 14 are left, and these are here. Inshallah, we will come to that. Okay. If we continue exercise 3.2, but that was in order, okay, as it
Okay.
appears in alphabet, but now it is mixed. Okay, start from
Ya, lam,
lam.
lam,
Hmm.
sin, ain,
Hamza.
sorry, hamza,
Hmm.
kaf,
Kaf.
kaf,
You better know.
ra,
Hmm.
ha,
Ji.
ain,
Ain.
ain,
Yes.
dal,
Dal. Soft and mild. Dal.
dal,
Yeah.
waw,
Yes.
to,
Yeah. It's a thick and little jerk at the end. To. To.
to,
No, no wow. To.
to,
To.
to,
Yeah.
ha,
Ha.
ha,
Ha.
ha,
Ha.
ha.
You see, when there is a little friction in the middle of throat and your air is coming out, not much friction, but little, and on the exit, ha,
Ha,
ha.
ha,
Okay, next.
mim,
Hmm.
sod,
Hmm.
alif.
Okay, alif. Okay, another student, please. And this time we are going to cover dotted letters. So there are 15 letters without any dot. Okay. So we have done that. Now exercise 3.3.
So,
And this time another person, please.
Mr. Ataul Joya, sir, I'm gonna unmute you. Please accept the invitation if you want.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Okay.
मैं शुरू से start कर रही
Yeah, right to left.
Okay. Alif.
No, not where is alif? It's not alif. It's ba. 3.3.
Oh, मैं वो नहीं नजर आ रहा.
Sorry.
वो मैं नहीं नजर आ रहा. मैं 3.1 बस screen की पर है.
Okay, another person. 3.3 is this.
Afsar, please highlight the bar so he can understand which one.
This one.
This one, yeah, please.
No,
Start.
it's not visible on his phone, I think.
Okay, we will go to the next person.
Another person, yeah, please.
And Fatima Sani Sahaba, would you like to read? I'm gonna unmute you, please. Assalamu alaikum. Ji,
Please speak loudly, please. Your voice is not coming.
Is it better now?
Yeah.
yeah, yes.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم با.
No, not ba. Ba is a soft and long. Make it long, and as you know, the voice should exit.
Ba.
No. Ba.
I'm listening. Ba.
That's good.
Ta.
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 Yeah.
Sa. Jim.
No. Jim.
Jim.
Yeah. Again. Say again. Jim.
Jim.
Yeah.
Ha. Ha.
No. Long. Kha.
Ha.
Yeah. Kha.
Ha.
Next.
Zal.
No. Val.
How many counts we doing this? Is it just 4
No.
counts?
No. Val. There should be at least 2 or 3 A in between. Val.
Zal.
Yeah.
Za.
Well done. Brilliant.
Sheen.
Well done.
Dod.
Yes. Dod.
Dod.
Yes.
Zo.
Well done.
Ghain.
Here again, this is diphthong. No, this
Yeah.
is diphthong. Diphthong, the in between. Ghain.
Ghain.
Yeah.
Faf.
Excellent.
Qaf.
Brilliant.
Noon.
Well done.
Yaw.
No, not yaw. Ya.
Ya.
Yes, good. Ya. Say ya.
Ya.
Well done. Okay, that's good. And now in this way, you continue this exercise 3.4, and this time do from left to right. Okay, from Jim and then continue.
Okay. Jim.
Yeah.
Ba.
Good.
Sheen. Ghain. Noon.
Okay, noon. And now vertically the third column, please.
Sheen. Sod.
Dod.
Sorry. Dod. Zo.
Okay, good. And now the fifth column vertically. Bottom to top.
Ya.
Well done.
Ha.
Kha.
Ha.
Yes.
Jim.
Okay, excellent. So these are letters, 14 letters are covered now, and inshallah ta'ala, we will continue with the others. So far, we have covered 3 lessons, so that is enough for us. And in the next lesson, we will cover basically all these lessons could be downloaded, or you can access through our app, Android app or Apple app. You can have that, or PDF we can send. And also, Iman Sahib, if you can announce that, what about the Telegram group in which
Yes.
we can download all,
Yeah.
or we can upload all the lessons, and they can access, and even only every lesson will be recorded. Each box will be read at least twice or thrice, and we can put that audio lesson. So without wasting any time here and there asking this repetition, only the audio lesson could be about maybe 10 minutes or maybe less, would be posted there, and you can listen again and again and practice at home at your ease.
Yeah, inshallah ta'ala, I will during this week I will send invitation to all your individual phones, and if anyone if you want to join the Telegram group, then you can click the link and you will join that G7 group, where Hafsa will post all these PDF as well, and alongside the PDF you will get the audios of all these lessons, so you can practice with your own free time and with the PDF in front of you, and this way you will learn even more faster. So you don't have to, but it is a good ideally very nice if you can join the group, and you can listen to the Hafiz audio and plus the PDF.
Okay.
Before next class you will be able to join Telegram group.
Okay, then.
Inshallah
Excellent.
ta'ala.
Inshallah ta'ala, that would be very, very beneficial, because then you can utilize those things on your own as much as you can. And now, if everybody is happy and there is no further, wants to come on the mic, then we can conclude today's lesson. But if there is,
No, no, not if they were people, if they want to read,
yeah,
they can read it.
yeah,
If anyone would like to read these lessons,
Yeah, Assalamu alaikum, I'll read. So where?
please. It's a good practice actually.
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, Jazakumullah.
Because our time is 8 o'clock, but at the same time, I don't want to, stuff or burden the students. If we are here for your service, in the service of the Holy Quran. So who is with us? And please now read from this time, from right to left, row
Right.
number 1, line number 1, please.
Alif, Ha,
Well done.
Dal,
Yes.
Ra,
Mhm.
Seen,
Seen.
Seen,
Okay. And continue.
Sod,
Sod.
Sod,
Yeah.
Ta,
Pa.
Ta,
Yeah.
Ain,
Good.
Kaf,
Well done.
Lam,
Good.
Mim,
Mm-hmm.
Waw,
Brilliant.
Ha,
Mm-hmm.
Hamza,
Yes.
Ya.
Well done. Now, in this way, go to the third column and bottom to top, please.
Ha,
Mm.
Ain,
Mm.
Dal.
Okay. And now the second column, top to bottom.
Ha,
Mm.
Ta,
Mm.
Waw.
Okay. Go to the second line, left to right.
Lam,
Mm.
Kaf, Ain, Ta, Sod.
Okay. How many letters without dots?
14? 15. 15.
15. So these are the 15s. Okay, that's very good. Now we come to here. Or now this time, please read the third column, top to bottom.
Seen, Ain, Mim.
Hafiz Sahib, the mention whenever a letter is without any basic strokes, basic vowel, you need to read like at least 2-3 seconds. long, like like ba in B with 3 A's.
Yeah.
So all simple letters you should read at least 2-3 seconds.
Yeah, because in the, there as I said, there are 29 chapters where letters are pronounced separately. Like Surah Al-Baqarah, some Surah Taha, Surah Maryam. These 29 chapters where each letter is pronounced separately with full extent, with full prolongation. For example, if there is a alif lam mim in the first part, it will be lam 6 stroke. So that is why the practice should be from the very beginning, that whenever there is no stroke on any letter, that should be pronounced in a simple, natural way, as we are required to do that when we come to the Quran. Okay.
Do I need to prolong them a bit more then?
Yeah, more than,
Yeah.
so that we can have that, that is a future, what's that, learning investment, practice, because when it will come in the reading of the Quran, we will already used to that one.
So
So
can I just have a look at the third row again? So if I was doing scene, should I be going scene,
yeah,
fine,
yeah, especially
meme?
especially those letters where your voice ends. For example, ain, noon, that is ends on that one. Like seen, where are name has 3 letters in between. When there is only your sound is not ending on something and it is quite empty and continuous, then only 2 seconds. For example, yeah, we cannot prolong more than 2 counts, because it is unending. Yeah, because there is no end. It only ends with the human breath. But this one, seen, there is ultimately our voice stays somewhere. So in this case,
Okay. Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
third column, please.
Third column. So meme,
Well done. Now,
ein,
no, not I. A bit inclining in the beginning after one stroke. Ein.
ein,
Yeah. Next.
seen.
Well done. Okay, good. And okay, that's good. And now exercise 3.3, please.
So just if anyone else would like,
Okay.
Yeah,
you
Anyone?
continue.
Yeah.
Does someone else? I'm quite happy if someone else wants to do it. Does anyone else want to do it? Raise if they're raising their hand. Or shall I carry
Or
on?
you want to continue? Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, I don't mind. Ba, ta, fa, jim, kha, dal, za, shin, dod, ضا, غين, fa, قاف, noon, ya.
Yeah. Okay. Brilliant. Well done. Okay. Now we can take another person, please.
Yes, please. Shahida Sahib, I'm going to unmute you. Please accept you. Thank you very much.
Sahida Bokeh. Yes.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Okay, sister, could you read exercise 3.4, starting from right to left?
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نون غين شين
Well done. Brilliant.
با
Yes.
جيم
Yeah. Second line.
قاف
Oh, Qaf.
قاف
Yeah.
ذال ضاد
Dad.
ضاد
Yeah.
تا
Ta, flat and smiley. Ta.
تا
Yes.
خا
Good.
فا
Yes.
زا
Yeah.
Zwa,
There is no vowel inside. Wa, this is a thick letter. Wa,
Za,
yeah,
Tha,
yes.
Ya.
Okay, now let me know how many letters will be pronounced always with a thick and heavy sound. How many letters out of 29?
That's 7. 7.
7? Yeah, can you please list them? Who are they? Which are this?
Gain.
These are the letters.
Hello.
7 letters. First one in the beginning.
Kha,
Kha.
Dog, dog, ta, va, ghain, and qaf. These 7 letters always pronounced with a. Okay. Okay then. So
Hey, do I need hey, who brought this magnet? You don't need them in the chair, yeah?
can you please mute this?
Yeah, I have. Okay, next one, please. Who would like to take part?
Myself. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam, please.
Okay, first I would ask him some question. Okay then, how many letters are there in Arabic?
29.
29. Okay, good. And how many without dots?
15.
15. So rest are 14. Okay, how many letters are pronounced with a thick sound?
7.
How many letters without, with the thin sound?
22.
19.
19.
19. 19 plus 7, how many?
19 plus, that's 26.
26.
Yes.
3 are variable. 3 are, sometime depending on the situation, they're sometime with a thick sound, and other time they are with a thin sound. So they are variable sounding letters. Okay. And these are alif and lam and ra. Alif, lam, ra. These are the variables, and all other are 19 are thin sounded letters. Okay, good. Now please read from 3.1, and in this case, every column, not line, every column, there are 5 columns from top to bottom, head to bottom. You can start. Alif.
Okay. Alif.
No long. Alif.
Alif.
Yes. Yes.
Sad.
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 Yes.
Mim.
Well done.
Ha.
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 Good.
Ta.
No. Ta.
Ta.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Dal.
It's a thin letter. Dal.
Dal.
Dal. L.
Dal.
Yes.
Ain.
Good. Well done.
Ha.
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 Yes. It's a blunt letter. No sharp. Ha.
Ha.
As we said, word this
ha.
Column 4.
Ra.
Yes.
Kaf.
No, this one is a thin. Kaf, kaf,
Kaf.
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 Yeah, the gap between your ceiling of mouth inside and top of tongue should be bigger. Kaf.
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 Okay.
Hamza.
Well done.
Sheen.
Seen. This is seen. Sheen with 3 dots. This without dot. Seen.
Seen.
Yeah, hissing sound. Little hissing sound. Seen.
Seen.
Yes.
Lam.
Lam, long. Lam.
Lam.
Yes.
Ya.
Well done. Excellent. Now, as a test, column number 4 from bottom to top.
Hamza,
Yes.
Kaf,
Now, kaf is a simple mild letter. Kaf.
Kaf,
Hmm.
Ra,
Well done. Okay, good. Now we can have another person, please.
Yes, please. Aurangzeb sir, would you like to read exercise? I'm gonna unmute you if you want to. If you don't want to, please just say no.
I think he should do
G.
that. He is mashallah from I think USA.
G.
Acha, okay.
I will.
Okay, Jazakumullah.
So right to left.
Yeah, right to left, yeah.
Ya.
Yeah.
Lam.
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 Hmm.
Seen.
Well done.
Hamza.
Good.
Kaf.
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 Yes.
Ra.
Mm-hmm.
Ha.
Yeah.
Ain.
Good.
Da.
Dal.
Dal.
Yeah.
Wow.
Good.
Ta.
To.
Ta.
Okay. When our sound is not ending somewhere, it is empty, is going, then only 2 counts. Po.
Ta.
Yeah.
Ha.
Good.
Meme.
Okay, meme, because our sound, the sound of letter is ending somewhere on a consonant, so it will be long. Meme.
Meme.
Okay, because in this way, in the Holy Quran, it will be read. Okay, like for example, you said kaf in Surah Maryam after Bismillah Rahman Rahim, it say kaf, ha, ya, and then other 2 letters, 5 letters. So if we do practice right now, when it come to the level 2 reading of the Quran, that will be very, very beneficial. Okay, next Sod.
Sod.
Yeah.
Alif.
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 Okay, now exercise 3.3 from left to right.
Ha.
Kha.
Ha.
Yeah.
Jeen.
Jim.
Jeen.
No, meme at the end. Jim.
Jeem.
Yes, no, it's okay.
Fa.
No, fa.
Fa.
Yeah.
Fa.
Yeah.
Ta.
Ba. Okay, good. Now in this line, there are 5 letters. Let me know which letter is thick letter. There is only one. I make it easy for you.
Fa.
No. There's no fa inside here. In the first line, this ba, ta, tha. My question is that there is only one letter which will be pronounced permanently thick. Which is that letter?
Is that the middle one?
This one?
Yeah.
No, it's not. Okay, another guess. I mentioned many times, multiple times today in the class. Okay, remember this kha. Kha, always thick letter. With full mouth. Kha. Okay, good. Now from right to left. Second line.
Zal.
Yeah.
Za.
Yeah.
Sheen.
Yes.
Dod.
Good.
Za.
Good. Now the same question in the line 2 in this zal, this 5 letters. Which letters are permanently will be pronounced with a thin sound? Remember thin sound. How many letters?
3 of them.
Which one?
The sheen, za, and zal.
Okay, good. So zal, za, and sheen will be pronounced with a thin sound, And the other two letters, dod and dha, will be permanently thick. This time your answer is good. Now read now from left to right, and at the same time when you pronounce this letter, let me know this is will be, which category is that. It is a thick letter or thin letter. Broad category. Is it empty letter or full mouth letter? So left to right, please.
Ya, it's a thin letter.
Yeah.
Noon, thin letter.
Yeah.
Qaf, thick letter.
Well done.
Fa, thin letter.
Well done.
Ghain, thick letter.
Excellent. You passed the test, mashallah. Good. So, okay. Now we can have another person, please.
Yeah. Okay. Anyone would like to recite, or I'm gonna pick somebody. I'm gonna unmute G7020. If you want to recite, then please go on. Otherwise, you can say I don't want. I have unmuted G7020. Please recite. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Would you like to read this lesson, exercise 3.4?
Loudly, please. Noon. Okay, and in the beginning, also in the same way, please let me know that what is the category of this letter, how it would be pronounced, thick or thin. When you pronounce one letter and after that specify the pronunciation guide. If you know, otherwise continue, please.
Otherwise, you can practice with them, I think.
Okay then. So, would you follow me or I should listen to you first? I think is.
Okay, no problem. No worries. There's Anita Gills. Saba, I'm gonna unmute you. Please, do you want to read? Or
No, she was there before.
Okay, she has done. Okay, sorry. 7004. G7004.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
assalam. Rahmatullah. Okay, now exercise 3.4, and this 5 columns, column by column, top to bottom, please.
Noon.
Yeah.
Qaf. Fa.
In this column, which letter is thin?
And Noon.
Only one?
No, two. Noon and Fa.
Okay, good. And second column?
Ghain.
Hmm.
Za.
Zal.
Zal. Za.
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 Which letter thick?
Ghain.
Good. Next column?
Sheen.
Hmm.
Sod.
Dod.
Dod. Za.
Wa.
Za.
Wa.
Za.
Okay. Which letter is thin?
Sheen.
What about Dha?
And the second one, Dha.
No, what's that? Dha is it thick or thin?
Thin.
No, this is third column, the third column, third letter, top to bottom, bottom letter. Dha is it thick or thin?
Thick.
Yeah, it's a thick, yes. Column number 4, please.
Ba.
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 Yeah.
Ta.
Mm-hmm.
Sa.
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 Okay, which letter is thick in this column?
None of them.
Okay, good. Good. Well done. Your concept is clear. Okay. Fifth column.
Jim,
Hmm.
Kha,
Hmm.
Ya.
Okay. Which letter is variable?
I'm not sure.
Variable means sometime it is thick, sometime it is pronounced thin, depending on the situation, the circumstances.
Jim.
No, there is none. Jim,
None. Okay.
thin. Kha, thick. Ya, thin. Variable notice, not in that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, good. Well done. Now we can find, I think we can have another person finally, and then we.
No, it's only 2-3 minutes left, I think.
Yeah. He will continue.
Okay. G7008. Would you like to recite? Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Would you like to recite from?
Okay, these are 5 columns. Start from top to bottom. Column 1, please.
Ya,
Yes.
Ra,
Hmm.
Da.
Okay, let me know which letter is thin, which letter is thick, and variable. There are 3 kinds. Either all are thick, or they are thin or variable.
Ya is thin.
Yeah.
Ra is variable.
Yes.
And Da is thick.
Well done. Column number 2, please.
Lam, Ha, Ha.
Okay, and specify the category pronunciation.
Lam is thin. Ha is thin, and Ha is thick.
Thin.
Sorry, thin as well, yeah.
Yeah, all column number 2, all letters are thin. But lam is variable.
Okay.
Lam is variable. Remember, in the first column, ra was variable. Here in the second column, lam is variable, sometimes thin, sometimes thick. So that was the right. Okay, third column.
Sin, Ain, Mim.
Well done. And which category is this?
Sin is thin, Ain is thick, and
No,
Mim.
Ain is thin.
Oh, Ain is thin.
Yeah.
And then Mim is also thin.
Okay, and the fourth column, please.
Hamza, Dal.
No, simple, soft, mild, flat mouth. Dal.
Dal, Sod.
Okay, now category.
Hamza is thin.
Yeah.
Dal is thin, and then Sod is thick.
Okay, last column, please.
Kaf,
Yeah.
Waw, Alif.
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 Okay, now pronunciation guide.
Kaf is thin, Vaw is thin, and Alif is thin as well.
Now, Alif is variable.
Okay.
Alif, Lam, Ra, variable. 3 letters are variable. 19 consonant, they are thin, and the 7 are thick. So in this exercise 3.2, Ra, first column, Lam, second column, and the last 5th column, bottom is Alif. Alif, Lam, Ra. And some chapters start with Alif, Lam, Ra. Many, multiple, some chapters. Alif, Lam, Ra, Alif, Lam, Ra. Surah Yusuf is one of them. Surah Al-Hijr is one of them. Surah Yunus is one of them, on the names of the prophets. Okay, so that is important. So this is exactly 8 o'clock, and according to our schedule, we finish now. Jazakumullah, thank you so much for everyone who has joined us in today. And Alhamdulillah, the G7 Telegram group that has been announced by the admin, you will be given an invite. Please come there. Inshallah, you will see PDF and also audio lessons, and practice as much as you can. And inshallah, see you next Tuesday, 7 o'clock. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.